Are you coming over tonight? I need you, baby. That was a massive hit in 2007 for Chuck Fenda and Cherine Anderson. But did you know that Cherine wasn't the first choice for the song? Chuck Fenda gives us the backstory behind the song in this week's Fiwi Culture segment.
Are you coming over tonight? I'm feeling lonely. I wanna hold you in my arms, girl. I just wanna treat you right.
Christopher Birch called upon me and said, Chuck Fenda, never read him for you. And then him call me and say, yo, bam, son, we go so now and go link him. So I drive one night and the rain a fall. I'm just I say, oh baby, oh you coming over tonight? I'm feeling so lonely. And so I call Black Pearl and I say, Black Pearl, you like that song, yeah? And I say, sing it to me. And I say, oh baby, oh you coming over tonight? Girl, I'm feeling so lonely. Next day I go down and I say, Birch, listen to this, I'm gonna start voice. And Birch said, go in the studio, I'm gonna start voice it. And Birch I said, oh God. You see me I deal with? And Birch said, I want a girl upon this. And I say, I say, then get Alien, man. Alien if you put upon it. I must say, all right, boom, man. Call up Alien. Alien not turn up.
Yes, I'm coming over tonight. I need you, baby. Make love all night. Is that alright?
And Birch said, no worry yourself. I have the right girl for this. I'm fly out, go do a show in New York, and I come back and Birch call me and I say, come listen to this song. The song done, you know. So I hear the song, I drop on the ground, I say, who this? I say, Cherine and this man. A girl from dancehall queen. I never really meet her yet, but the man just put everything together. When me not did it, can me put up, just lay down your part and left his space them. Do the intro. A Rasta loving, you know. It's an anthem. No cure, me try. Feel me tap that song the female wise. It's hard for tap.
I can't wait to embrace you, girl. Take it to a fantasy world. We don't need no diamonds and pearls.
It's a monster song. The girls them love it. Enough man call me and tell me, say, are you a song when I get my wife? Are you a song when I'm married to my wife? Are you a song I play one dance and I meet that girl I'm married to her over much year now? It have so many things to it. So now we have to give it up to Cherine. She did a wonderful job on it, you know what I mean? And you don't know how nice stuff for the females them already and things. So.
In a night like this when it's raining, none of us will be complaining. Intensity will be maintaining.
No, because you know, gosh them did hot. Gosh them is so hot. It just, me know say that go hot because the reaction how the girl them are going and how certain female are going and what Cherine deliver for your part and how me deliver my part. But just know say, yo, that song is a monster. And then when it drop, girl not stop call me. People not stop calling me. People want me come sing it for them. Girls want me come sing it for them privately. Coming over tonight, pull some doors when me couldn't pull. Coming over tonight, you know, pull some doors when me couldn't pull. Make some girl when they even look for me or look for a certain type of artist or, you know what I mean, star, look for me now. Or even look for me in some R&B way or some lovers style way or some lovers rock way. I say, yeah. I don't know if Fenda can sex up the thing them way or nice it up them way.
You in my arms, girl, I just wanna treat you right.
What do you look forward to the most when it comes on to Christmas? Well, members of the public gave us their responses in this week's Why Pree Vox Pop segment. And don't forget to know, when you're not party this Christmas, make sure say Campari in the mix.
Why Pree?
Food, you see, well, dog, I say, mother, meet them in the fridge international. You see, yeah. So I do the food, man, yeah.
Food. Yo, he's a foodie in it still, so you get me. Christmas dinner, of course, you know what I'm saying? My type of person will go out 3 different people yard for Christmas dinner at Christmas time. So
studio, just working. I mean, it's time for family, but majority of my family is overseas. So we just spend Christmas just doing music and putting out music. I mean, we keep connection with them still, but yeah, man, just put in work.
Cake, food, and family. It's a joyous time, so I'm looking forward to spending it with my family.
Well, I'm not even gonna lie to you, at the Christmas time, food, enjoyment, food, family, and love, and you know, always look at Christmas message. We have to, you know, remember say God did born and all them things, but I really the food, isn't it?
Dog, you know, adjust the bonus, dog. Adjust the bonus.
Work bonus?
Yeah, man.
So where you use the bonus do?
Enough things in a dog. Just floss, just go party. Sometime I just spend for myself, you know. Them kind of thing there.
Christmas song.
Sing one of your favorite Christmas songs.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell all the time. Dancing, prancing, and singing this song. That's the Jingle Bell Rock.
What do you look forward to the most when Christmas are forward? Let us know on all our social platforms at Pree the Show on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and of course YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's how we say goodbye to Half a Tree and wrap up another episode of Pree the Show. You don't know I'm your host Naldo Adi, and once again, Merry Christmas from the Pree family to yours.